Happy Friday, everybody. Good afternoon. Your local weather authority chief meteorologist Marcus Bailey with you here on a very gloomy day. For some of you, it's been a soggy day, but not for a lot of us. Not as of yet, as we're recording this at about quarter till 2 o'clock on this Friday afternoon. We haven't seen a whole lot of rain around the Peoria metro area, although we're starting to see some of that sliding into the area. You can see the timestamp up here at 1:42. That's what radar looks like right now. It's been fairly steady rain down to the south. Places like Logan County, DeWitt County, even southern McLean County has been seeing a decent amount of rain. So pretty much right in this area has been seeing rain for the last couple of hours. This far north here, we haven't seen a whole lot. It's now just starting to kind of fill in. And up along the I-80 corridor, you haven't seen really anything at all, but you can see some bands trying to work in here of some light showers. Where we're kind of seeing the heaviest rain right now, down in southeastern McLean County. You're in pretty good downpour right now, right along Interstate 74, really from just southeast of Bloomington right through Leroy, and that extends all the way down towards Mansfield, getting closer to Champaign. That's really the heaviest rain that we have now. All of that moving to the north and east, and then some heavier pockets, as you can see, just outside of our area. That's southwest of Schuyler County, south of Macomb, west of Beardstown. So all of this, again, moving to the north and east. There's the loop. It's got more of an easterly component than just a true northeast. But if you go back a little bit, there's still some rain back to the west. So we're going to leave the door open for some of this light to at times moderate rain. It stretches all the way back to Kansas City. Really, the brunt of the system with the highest moisture content is way south of us, and that's going to stay right along the Ohio River. So we're going to miss out on the heavy-duty rain. But again, probably going to be a little bit of a soggy commute home from work as you gear up for the weekend. So here's future track as we roll through time here. And again, you're not going to be seeing a whole lot as far as I-80 corridor. But this will take us through the evening drive. You could see a decent amount of rain here from Macomb to Canton to Peoria to Pontiac, and then points south. So those are going to be kind of the wet areas for the drive home. If you're heading out to dinner maybe this evening, again, probably going to be a little bit soggy on and off. I don't think it's going to be completely steady. There will be some breaks here and there. But we stay cloudy, and we could see some fog in some spots as well. This is at 10 o'clock. We're starting to see a lot of the rain now breaking down to the south, and then that eventually pushes out to the east. The rest of the overnight, I think, quiet then. We'll stay cloudy as we get to the overnight. But again, once the rain moves out, kind of like what we had for this morning, we're not going to have much of a wind, a lot of moisture at the surface. Visibility could be a little bit of a concern as we head through the overnight. This is future track visibilities here as we go through the overnight hours. Notice that it's not super thick, but you've got some areas that are only about a mile to 2 miles of visibility, and keep in mind max is around 10 miles of visibility. So that likely will be an issue through the rest of the overnight tonight. So 32, rain will clear the area before midnight for most, and then it's just cloudy and it will be chilly as we roll through the day or the morning hours. Temperature trend over the next couple of days, we're getting closer to average. Normal high for this time of year should be around 40 degrees. We'll be at around 39 Saturday, and 38 on Sunday with a nice bump up on Monday, 44. We'll have a little bit of a setback Tuesday and Wednesday, and then we'll actually see another jump by Thursday, and there are some longer range models that actually have a nice little warm up possibly by this time next week, heading into next weekend. So that's something we're going to be talking about tonight on WMBD 31 News at 5 and 6. We'll also continue to monitor the rain and the possibility of fog as we roll through the overnight tonight. We hope to see you on the TV side at 5 and 6. Have a great Friday.